Creating an e-commerce store. Welcome to my learning center. Our topic of discussion today is creating an e-commerce store. There's never been a better moment to start an e-commerce business than now. With more than 206 million buyers expected to spend money online this year. If you're thinking about starting an e-commerce business and selling things online, utilize this checklist to make sure you're doing everything correctly. 1. Begin with your company's name. The first step, after deciding what you want to sell, of course, is to come up with a fantastic, memorable business name that no one else has used. You can check if the name is already in use by conducting a corporate name search. After you've decided on a name, make sure you register it. This will happen automatically if you incorporate an LLC or company in the state where you file your paperwork. 2. Protect your domain and website. If your business name is not available, consider a domain name that is easy to remember, say, and spell and is related to your firm. The next item on the list is your website design, which is the most expensive aspect of setting up your own e-commerce company. You should create a website that not only looks good but also works correctly. 3. Create a business name and choose the best business structure. When it comes to business structure, there are numerous options. A sole proprietorship is a business that is owned and operated by one person. Cooperation, if you have a business partner. LLC. Corporation. The IRS will consider you a sole proprietor, or partnership, if you don't choose a business form like a corporation or LLC. However, as a sole proprietor, you put your personal assets at risk. You can either do it yourself or engage a business filing company to handle it for you. 4. Make an application for business licenses and permits. You will still require some business licenses and permits if you run an e-commerce firm. Check with your city, county, and state to discover what kind of sales tax licenses or home business permits you'll need, and make sure they're granted before you start selling. 5. Locate the correct vendors. You'll have a lot of competition if you sell things online, so it'll be in your best interest to locate the highest quality and prices for the products you sell, or the materials you use to make them. Look around until you locate a vendor with whom you wish to do long-term business. 6. Begin marketing as soon as possible. Even if you aren't up and running yet, it's a good idea to start setting up social media profiles and generating blog content now, so you don't have to start from scratch on day one. You can create a "Coming Soon" page on your website, where those who are interested can sign up for updates. 7. Use the right software to increase productivity. Before you begin your e-commerce firm, experiment with customer relationship management, accounting, project management, and email marketing. Software that you can integrate into what you're doing once you're up and running. 8. Maintain your inventory. Make sure you have adequate inventory to launch. Whether you have a warehouse full of products, or your inventory lives in your garage, not knowing how much you'll need can be difficult. But in general, it's better to have too much inventory than not enough. Keep an eye on how your sales grow so you can plan ahead for future orders. 9. Maintain compliance in your company. Things will move at the speed of light once your e-commerce firm is up and running. If you've incorporated or formed an LLC, don't forget to complete your annual report and pay your annual payments for company permits. Put these deadlines in your calendar if necessary to keep track of them. Are you able to cross everything off your to-do list? Great! It's time to go live. Your e-commerce business will soar after you've completed all of the necessary preparations. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.